what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a little rainy POV. Pretty much tomorrow I'm flying out to Florida, so pretty much this weekend's been pumping out videos. My goal for today wasn't even to do a POV in the rain. My goal was just to do a POV like a regular one, but dude, it's raining today, so we're just gonna do a rain one. Sheesh, bro. Dude, I don't know why cops in my area are just so chill. Like literally I was catless gassing it on the bridge and the cop didn't do anything, dude. Like, God bless these guys, man. Oh my. What was that? Dude, those kind of pops. Okay, time to go to sports mode. When you're in sports mode, it shifts way better. People say don't go to track, but bro, track saves me. Okay. Is that a cop? Hold up. No, we good. Yo, fudge. Slipped out for a second. Oh my gosh. It shifts so nice today. What the heck? In case you guys want to see how much horsepower I'm using, I'm gonna put it on horsepower, engine power. Oh my gosh. Dude, I can't get over this catalyst. Oh my gosh, so bouncy here. Oh my gosh. The valve stopped the pops like by 50%. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Dude, I can't get over it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm slipping out the whole entire time. Dude, these tires, it's the torque. Oh my gosh, I'm slipping I'm slipping every time I'm gassing it. And dude, like, and you guys gotta keep in mind, I'm not gassing it that hard right now. I'm not gassing it hard at all, dude. And dude, it freaking slipped. Dude, it's just too much torque. I love it, dude. I love the torque though, guys. Like, yeah, this car's not fast. Like, for how much power it has, it's not fast, but dude, it still keeps up pretty well for how fat it is. You gotta look at it like a family car. Oh my gosh. When the windows are down, dude, it sounds... See, that's what I wanted. Oh, it's popping so nice. I can hear it trying to pop, and it's just the valves. I'll take them out. Oh my gosh. Basically, I'm gonna see how the Porsche dealership is right now. I don't think there's anything going on, honestly. I think most people are leaving, but hey, I'll come late. I don't care. If there's a couple people there, that's all that matters, you know? Just go vibe, chill. Hopefully I can see some of the homies. Dude, yesterday was a trip. I literally was at the gym. I'm not even kidding, guys. I'm a 13.5 hour shift. I didn't even take a lunch, bro. Oh my gosh, hold up. Oh my. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh, these guys are looking at me, hold up. Oh no, they're not. Dude, I just don't like this head cam. Like, dude, dude, just relax, bro. Be confident in yourself. Look. I really hope the car meet's still popping. I know there's cops there, so I gotta kind of keep it chill once I... Oh my gosh. trying to pop, and then it like releases the strong pops, but like the beginning ones get freaking muffled, dude. Oh yeah, most people are dipping. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh yeah, there's still people here. I'm gonna go park up and see what's up. Wait, no, it looks like it's dead. Ah, whatever, we'll see, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, the STOs are so nasty. Oh, dude, I freaking love coming here. It's like an inspiration. But this lineup's so nice, dude. Oh, only pink cars, so clean. Oh my. Sheesh, dude. Yeah, I think it's a GT4S, bro. But these Porsches are clean. And they're from Germany too. Like they got German plates still. That's sick. I'm actually gonna be going there. So literally next month. Literally 9/11. Oh my gosh. There's my baby right here. Dude, Dodge Viper. But the deal they have on this it's like it's supposed to be like releasing it out. And dude, annual mileage is 1K. Come on, dude. Like, let me know if I'm reading that wrong, but that's straight finesse. Straight finesse. Like, this car is cool, but bro, that much of a payment? Hell, heck nah, bro. Dude, I just saw this guy pull up. He pulled up right behind me. Let's go. But what's sick about this Hellcat is he put like red LEDs on it, on the Hellcat badge. That's what I'm trying to do, bro. And he has front LEDs. That's what I'm going for, bro. Dude, I just met another Redeye dude. Let's go. Jeez, my freaking callus is crazy. Jeez. Ah, dude, it's so nice. Dude, that guy's chill, dude. I didn't know. Dude, I'm so happy I met somebody with a Redeye, another Redeye. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sheesh, bro. I'm gonna end the video off around here. I don't know how much I recorded as usual. Dude, this is one of the best spots. Oh my gosh, I didn't even pass 4K RPMs or 5K. I don't know which one exactly, but okay, last pull. Oh, dude, there's older people there. No, I need to dish them. Sheesh. Even in track mode, I'd be slipping. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this other street's literally perfect as well. I didn't even know it takes me here. Dude. This is the perfect street right here. Oh my gosh, you guys gotta do it. I don't know if you guys like callus, but I'm gonna be honest with you, that's the best thing I've ever did. I was really scared at first, but dude. That is scary, bro. much. Gosh, the best change. It's the best change I've ever done. Super illegal boat, dude. Whatever. Oh my gosh. Okay, I literally ended it off the video twice, but I keep going to the best spots in my area to freaking gas it. So I keep delaying the freaking outro. Okay, last one. Okay. Alright boys, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Dude, of course I meet up with the tier. Where is he at? Where's he at? Oh, he's dipping. Dude, I freaking met a TRX owner. Let's go, dude. Of course, every time I end a video, something freaking happens, but